Welcome back to another. Oh no! Get down, go, down. Okay, today we will. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Lisa, and today we are going to review the Hyatt tea set from Grand Hyatt. Yes, it is a take-home special, so you are able to enjoy this 5-star hotel afternoon tea without leaving your home, and you can spend the afternoon with your loved ones and your loved pets. This is a special autumn offer available from the 1st of October to the end of November. It includes the full tea set with 3 condiments and 2 signature tea bags. Okay, let's see what it's like inside. Wow, it's so pretty. Yep, I know you guys can't see. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Yep. Mochi, can you see? Have a look. Alright, and we'll be trying this. Oh, no. What I've got here are the condiments. We've got lemon curd, strawberry jam, and clotted cream, and these are obviously for the scones, my favorite. Alright, let's start with the Wagyu roll. This is a Wagyu beef roll. No, it's not for you. It's not for you. Oh, it's really good. This is really good. I've got cream cheese. The Wagyu is really thin, but you can still taste it there. I like this one. It's so tiny. So dainty and tiny. Just like how high tea should be. I'm sorry. You can't have any of this. I'll give you some good stuff later. Some good doggy food later. Next one is my favorite. A smoked salmon sandwich. And there's your piece of smoked salmon, chives, and a bit of sour cream. It smells like salmon, which is a good thing. Raj is getting really angry because he's not getting any of it. And you're not getting any of it either. That's so good. It's so soft. Yeah, I know it's good. We have a very tiny piece of salmon that's really thin, but it's fine because it's good. What do we have here? This one is the Lobster Sub. You can see there are pieces of lobster in here. Oh, it smells really fresh. Actually, it smells like crab more than lobster. No. Oh my god! No! Wait, no! It's only a piece of lobster. I think they'll be fine. Yes, did you enjoy that? Very fresh. So far it's going really good. Then we have this little guy here. Oh, it's got a really creamy texture. Oh, this is huge. Wanna see it? Yep, so we've got brie cheese here and ham. This combination is awesome. This is the best so far in this savory. Alright, next is the scones. So there have been a lot of people asking me if I live in Japan or not. The answer to that is no. I am from Sydney, Australia. I just travel to Japan a lot. I travel to Japan a lot, and usually it's work related, and of course I go there for vacation because I like the place a lot. Oh wow, it's really soft, and this is the lemon, no, it's not lemon, this is the citrus flavored scone. That's intense. Let me try first with the clotted cream. So I travel between Japan, Taiwan, and Hong Kong. This set here is from Grand Hyatt Hong Kong, as you can see on the box. Let's try it. This is just with clotted cream. That's good. I really should use a separate spoon for each condiment, but I don't have tiny little spoons. So yeah, we'll just have to do this. So that's strawberry. Oh, the strawberry jam is my favorite. That is much better. Let's try the last one. This is a lemon curd. So I'm thinking, I've got the citrus scone here, the citrus scone here, and this is lemon curd. So I guess it's gonna go perfectly together. Oh, that's really tart. This lemon, oh god, this lemon curd is seriously tart. In a good way. Like, I wouldn't say it's sour, it's just got a good kick to it. So we've got two types of scone here, the original and the citrus one. Yeah, I like it. It's so refreshing. So let's start with this side. We've got a green tea matcha cake here. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's try. The matcha flavor is really good, and it's not too sweet, so I like that. And they have a bit of red bean paste here on the bottom as well. Next I'll go for the chocolate. Isn't this so wonderful? It's hazelnut. Yeah, okay. I like this one better than the matcha. Whoa! That was dangerous! My god! And this is looking really exquisite. Look at those jellies on top. They look like jewels. Oh wait, they're really squishy. Really squishy. That's apricot. It's a shoe puff. They put in a lot of cream inside this. It's quite wonderful. Alright, well this looks really precious, doesn't it? What's this? This is so squishy. What is this bit? What is this bit? Oh, that's really tart. That's the apple. Oh, they've got a maple leaf here as well. Very nice details. Got layers of apple cream and coconut. There's coconut in here. Oh, this is the apple coconut tart. Oh, it's so nice. It's really, really refreshing. Then we've got our little sweets. I'll go for the pink macaron. Wonder what's in here. Let's try. Oh, there's dog hair. It's a raspberry jam. Oh, it's so nice. Not sweet at all. very delicate flavor. Final one here. That's so cute. It's jiggly. This is a marshmallow. It's a yuzu flavored marshmallow. Oh wow, the yuzu is so strong. Like, I can't taste marshmallow at all. This is like one squishy ball of yuzu. Very interesting, and yes, I like it. So that's it for today. It was a really enjoyable snack, and obviously, yes, I will continue eating and enjoying the rest of my afternoon. Look at her nose. That's a nose there. That little nose. Okay, so if you guys have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. My name is Lisa, and see you in the next one. Bye!